Oh, hello, my friends. Sorry about this. I'm having a tough day today, but we're going to move forward. Chinese Craftsman socket, missing screw. I'm almost afraid to take out the one that's in there, but we gotta have a look. Hopefully nothing serious falls. Look at it, it's loose too. You guys might have seen the video. Oh, it's long. You guys might have seen the video where that screw went missing, eh? Oh, and it's a shank too. I don't know if I've got anything that long, that fine a thread. Okay. What size of thread is it? Maybe we can... Whoops, we don't want to lose that. Okay. It's not the same. So it almost looks like a 1032. By gosh, I might have one of those. We might not be able to do the panhead style. Okay, this is what we got. That just might work. Now, I just had a thought. That's the ones I have in storage. I can get a few of those out. Let's just see if that'll fit through there. Doesn't have to be pretty, right? Yeah, that's the right thread. Oh, okay, so we have a solution. Now we just have to find the right one. So look at there's not much thread. There isn't much thread catching that bad boy. This is the one from the ratchet. But I'll be right back. Alright, I've got the screw that fits in this little box here. But it's not a panhead like this one. You get the message, get the difference, eh? I call that a round head and I call that a pan head. Maybe I'm wrong. So I want a tall pan head, number 4, 4x40. Now that I know what the thread is, four by 40. This is a pretty nice selection of small screws though, isn't it? So I think I'm done with this group. I'm going to just dump them into another pail and we're going to carry on. I'll just do this actually. Be right back. Okay. A long, skinny panhead. I don't think I've got anything like that. Nope. Now, interestingly enough, I've actually got these separated from teeny weeny to biggie. I might separate them with another jar or a coffee can or something. Because these are all just a little... Oh, there we go. That is pretty close, but no cigar. Let's just try it. No, it's too big. Too big. Okay. I think that's it. Alrighty. I think I got the screw that's going to cut. It's going to do it. We're going to have to cut it. And the rest of these little guys. Oh, there's a couple big ones in here yet. I'm going to separate out and just keep in a separate container. These are all pretty small. Some of them are micro small. Found a couple of nice little nuts and washers in here. This is what I do for therapy. Okay. So, what do I use? What do I use? What do I use? Something like that. And then stick them in there. And stick them in there. Isn't that a nice little selection of teeny weeny screws? And we're going to stick it in there. Oh, no, a little too deep. There we go. Excellent. And I believe I have the one screw I need to finish my little project. I'll get my screw cutter. Crimpers. I think this is a 4x40. 4x40 right there. I'm going to cut it off the right length. You whip me. Okay, that is the right length right there. It's going to set in. We're going to make it a tiny bit longer. We'll cut her. And then you screw it through first to improve the threads. Then you bring it back out. And we'll give it a test. That's actually not a bad fix. You know, I could make two of those, you know, if I could find another one. Look at that. That's pretty darn good. I think I'm going to try making two of them. At least then they'll match. Yeah. Yeah. Then we're going to Loctite them on there too, by gosh. Ew, that went flying. Okay, screw it in. Make a thread. Screw it out. I think this one's going to be a little too long. We can always take it out again, though, eh? Well, that looks okay. And I'm going to take them both out and shorten them just a tiny, tiny bit on the grinder. And then we'll put some red Loctite on them. So let me just grab a pair of pliers and I'll be back in 2 seconds. Gotta plug the grinder in. All right. Gonna Loctite kind of weak. The Loctite will probably mess up inside the ratchet. I call that dead on. Okay, let's get the other one out of there and do the same thing. Not much, though. Little dab will do you on this stuff. Okay. Tighten them up. Not too tight. Still a little slack in it, but way better. Hey guys, that looks nice. Not in the way. Back in the toolbox. And they don't stick out on the other side. Tiniest a bit there. Right there. Can't even feel it. Okay, I call that a good fix. See? Old timer fix.